In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you how to turn on autoplay so YouTube automatically plays the next video for you, giving you a smoother, hands-free viewing experience. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Once it loads, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Now look at the top right corner. Tap the gear icon to open the settings menu. Scroll down until you find video and audio preferences. Then tap playback. On this page, you'll see autoplay next video. If you want YouTube to automatically play the next recommended video, simply turn the toggle on. When the switch is enabled, YouTube will automatically continue to the next video without you having to tap anything. If you ever want to stop videos from playing automatically, just turn the toggle off. When the switch is gray, autoplay is disabled. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed the autoplay setting, and YouTube will now play videos exactly the way you prefer. If this quick tutorial helped you, please leave a like and subscribe for more simple YouTube tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.